Okay, so you'll get a session recording like this in your Skype application. You can download that, or you can use it from directly from here. Otherwise, you have LMS also where we can provide you the recording session. So today we'll start a next session. As per the last topic, we have completed the last topic, that was the financial year of the company. I told you how to prepare the financial year of the company, that is from April to March, year dependent, and I told you the January to December, that is a current dependent. So we prepared the financial year of a company yesterday. That was the last topic was I7. I7 was the financial year code that we prepared. So we'll just check that one. We'll log in the SAP software and we went to SPRO, we went to SAP reference IMG, then we went to financial accounting here, then we went to financial accounting global setting, then we went to financial year, then we went to here maintain fiscal year variant. Okay, so we went here and we prepared our I7 as the fiscal year variant for company code IBM 7. This is also our company code, and here also the company code is same, IBM 7 company code. So we prepared the fiscal year variant for this. Okay, then we prepared the fiscal year financial year for the company code, that is 2021 year from April to March. Then we went to the next topic, that was a period text also we prepared. April to March we prepared the financial year. Fine. So then we assigned that variant to the company code. So what was our company code? It was TCS0. So the company code was IBM 7. IBM 7 company code. Here it is. IBM 7 to I7. IBM 7 to I7 it is assigned. Until here we are done with the last topic. Is that right? People who have joined the last session, Arshita and Sanita, you people?
Yes, sir.
Yeah. So today we'll begin the next session we have is, that is we call it as, okay, we are done for posting period, we start today. So let me tell you what is posting period, why we use the posting period stuff, we start today, next topic we have. Okay. See, posting period, this why we use, this we use for the purpose of which period should be open and closed for invoice posting. Okay, suppose you are passing the entry in a company, any entry like invoice entry or billing entry or data entry, anything like that. That time what will happen? You need to make the entry posting there. So what we do in posting period here, we allow that entry to post it, like we open and close that. It controls that, the posting period, it controls that which period should be open and close. For that you need to prepare the posting period here. This comes under the fiscal year below. Document, posting period, defined variant for open posting period. Heading. Last topic we are done, maintain fiscal year assigned. Next topic we have is document posting period, defined variant for open posting period. So we'll go for defined variant for open posting period. Then we click on new entries. ओके यहाँ पे आपको देना पड़ेगा नया वेरिएंट कोड. इट इज कॉल्ड एज पोस्टिंग पीरियड वेरिएंट कोड. हमारा कंपनी कोड क्या था, यहाँ पे हमने दिया था IBM 7 दिया था. मैं लेता हूँ यहाँ पे पोस्टिंग पीरियड वेरिएंट कोड IBPP लेता हूँ. ओके, नया कोड इसको देना पड़ेगा वेरिएंट फॉर कंपनी कोड IBM 7. राइट, तो इस कंपनी कोड का ये पोस्टिंग पीरियड वेरिएंट रहेगा, जस्ट लाइक फिजिकल का जब जैसे मैंने बनाया था. Just like that, this will be the posting period variant for this company code. What is that? IBPP. Copy this and write down the heading here. Paste it here. Save. Okay, तो posting period has been saved. तो posting period हमने सेव कर लिया है यहाँ पे. तो नेक्स्ट टॉपिक क्या आएगा उसके बाद? ओपन एंड क्लोज करना पड़ेगा. जो वेरिएंट मैंने बनाया है उसको ओपन एंड क्लोज करना पड़ेगा आपको. तो नेक्स्ट सेशन जाइए, क्लिक ऑन ओपन एंड क्लोज पोस्टिंग पीरियड हियर, देन क्लिक ऑन न्यू एंट्रीज आफ्टर दैट. तो यहाँ पे आपको देना पड़ेगा वो पोस्टिंग पीरियड वेरिएंट जो आपने मेंटेन किया था. व्हाट वाज दैट? इट इज IBPP. पेस्ट कीजिए यहाँ पे. उसके बाद नेक्स्ट अकाउंट असाइनमेंट कैटेगरी करके आएगा. यहाँ पे आपको देना पड़ेगा प्लस करके. प्लस मतलब वैलिडेट फॉर ऑल अकाउंट टाइम. ए मतलब सिर्फ ऐसे डी कस्टमर के वेंडर एम मटेरियल करके आता है, आपको देना पड़ेगा प्लस, मतलब इट विल बी वैलिड फॉर ऑल अकाउंट टाइप, सो गिव एज अ प्लस हियर। उसके बाद फ्रॉम अकाउंट टू अकाउंट लीव इज ब्लैंक बिकॉज हियर वी असाइन द लाइन आइटम। मैं आपको फ्यूचर में बताता हूँ यहाँ पे क्या आता है करके। तो फ्रॉम पर वन आएगा, फ्रॉम 1 टू 2021 से लेकर 12, ओके, 21 to 13 to 2022 to 16 to 2022. Okay, so basically I'll tell you what is this. See, from 1 to 12 we have normal posting period that comes in 2021 year. Okay, 1 to 12. Then comes 13 to 16 special period, 4 period comes in 2022 year. Okay, तो बेसिकली आई एम ओपनिंग ऑल द पीरियड। मैं क्या कर रहा हूँ यहाँ पे 1 से लेकर 12 तक मैंने 12 पीरियड्स का बना लिया। उसके बाद मैंने 13 टू 16 स्पेशल पीरियड्स यहाँ पे डाल दिए। क्यों बोले तो ये नेक्स्ट ईयर पे आते हैं, 13, 14, 15, 16। रीडिंग स्पेशल पीरियड हम क्यों यूज करते हैं? दिस वी यूज फॉर ओनली फॉर द पर्पज ऑफ एन व्हेन देयर इज एडजस्टमेंट एंट्री करना है, इफ यू वांट टू डू प्रोविजन एंट्रीज, on basis of that time we use this special posting period. Okay, so we will prepare your 1 to 12, 13 to 16 special period, then enter. It is, yeah, anyone has any confusion with this?
Hello, sir.
Yeah,
Sir, actually, I am working in a company and I am using SAP there. So we are also opening and closing for a period open. But in our case, we are opening it to monthly basis. Like
correct,
now, right now, we have closed the period for August and we have opened the period for September. So is
exactly.
it that we have to create variant for all opening and closing? Or we can use
No,
the same variant for
same
every
variant
month?
for, say one variant you can use for all the company code. Okay, see,
All the company code and every month, right?
yeah, every month this, see this, however you configure. Okay, suppose you configure one thing now as a IVPP, you configure for this variant. Okay, for this variant
Okay.
whatever configure you have done, it depends upon your particular company or customer requirement. Okay, so customer however want, they
Oh,
want, if they, you can open and close here, that matters with your project. Okay, but variant which you are creating IVPP, suppose you think that now see one variant I created 1 to 12 and 13 to 16 I have opened here. Okay, suppose if you told me that you want to do it for
okay.
until August means it will come for April, May, June, July, August. That is a fifth period
It
we
is
have.
a
Okay, that is a fifth period we
fifth
have.
period.
So
Yeah.
here we need to prepare according to calendar year. That is Jan. Jan is 1. September means it is a August means it is a 8. So what I'll do, I'll open a 8 here. 1 to 8.
Okay.
Okay. So that means, so basically
This
until,
this thing is understanding calendar year itself, right?
exactly, this thing will be depend upon the calendar which we
Okay.
prepare here. So what is happening here now? 1 to 8 only the until August you have the open now. Okay. If you put here
Okay.
12 to 13 to 16, even you can use special periods also here. Okay, I'll tell you why we use the special 13 to 16 period. There is one form for that. Uh, one form that will let you know why we use that special period. Here it is. See here. See here, guys. The purpose of having four special period is only to make the distinction on the difference posting. Heading. See, there is no time duration specified for each posting period. Okay, you can as well have a one special period. Let us take one example. Okay, after year ending is done, okay, you can use first special period year for the year ending provision entries. Okay,
Okay.
second special period you can use suggested by the directors. Okay, third you can use by the auditor. So on it repeats here.
Okay.
Okay, special period does not contain any specific number of days.
Okay.
That means we can use a special period anytime we want them. Okay, if you open all the year, you can use special period anytime you want them. That is the 13 to 16, you don't take any confusion because this is special period they are. Heading 1 to 12 are normal period here. As you told me, want to end August, if you put a 8 here, it will end in August. But I am opening here for all 12 months. 1 to 12, 13 to 16. 2022 year. Now I will save this. Control S save, enter. Okay, now my data was saved here. So for this variant, I have prepared for this company code, I prepared this variant now. Okay, now what I will do, I'll take back. I'll take back. Next topic I'll go for assign variants to company code. I'll go. Here, see, you asked me the question that click on assign variants to company code, click on position and find the company code. What is your company code? IBM7. So what is the variant code I created for that? It is IBPP. That I should assign that here for this company code to variant. IBPP. Now save. Enter. So variant is assigned now. Okay. See here. Another one thing. One variant can be assigned to n number of company codes. You got it? See here. This IBPP I can assign to even this company code also. What is that? IBMI here. It all company codes are assigning to this particular one variant. You understanding it, Pooja? Yeah, Pooja.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Yeah. So one variant code can be assigned to n number of the company code. Okay. Now I won't do anything because this some other people have created here. So I don't want to make any changes of their company code. I'll just create my company code and assign to that. So one variant can be assigned to multiple company codes also. If you configure for this, those configuration will follow for this company codes. So this is my company code now, and this is the variant I have saved. IBP. Here is that posting period variant and a company code. Is everyone got it? And has any confusion? किसी को कोई confusion है? हर्षिता, नितेश, संयुक्ता, सौरभ. You guys, anyone has any confusion with this?
No, sir.
Everyone clear, right? So this is the posting period variant where you should define and open and close and you can assign that. Okay. First I created a variant. Variant code was I created a new variant code that is IBPP. So that I linked to the company code IBM7. Then what I done, I open and close, I done that here. So for that what I done, IBPP I went here. So here you can just see here 1 to 12. I opened it 13 to 16 special period. So I can use all special period also, and as well as I can use all 12 periods also. After once this I am done, I went to assign here, and that variant code I assign. See, lock entry has come here. Okay, lock entry has come. That means some other person is trying to access this particular table. See here. What I should do for that? Go to SM12 slash SM12. Go to SM12 here and remove this user key and enter. And go to lock entry and delete all here. Okay, you got to delete the locks. Now you can go to your step assign variants to company code and you can assign the variant to company code. Here. IBM7. IBP. Say. So this is the define variants, open and close and assign. Okay, this we do for the purpose of a posting period. Everyone clear with this? Anyone has any confusion again can ask me. Harshita, Nitesh, Pooja, how are you? How about you? Sanyukta, Saurabh? Everyone clear, guys?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Session we have, next session will start. We are done with the posting period. Next topic we have is document number ranges and document type. These both are interlinked with each other. Okay. So let me tell you what is document number ranges and what is document type. Before going for document type, I'll create here document number ranges from 1 to 20. Okay. I'll create here 1 to 20 document number ranges in SAP now. For that you need to follow step here. Here, document number ranges, define document number ranges. Okay, posting period is completed. Next thing we have is document number, define document number ranges. Click on define document number ranges here. Then give the company code. What is the company code here? It is IBM7. Then click on intervals here. Change interval. So you should maintain here 1 to 20 document number ranges now. So how to maintain them? I'll tell you. First one is 01, 2021, 01 to 100 number item. A number range. Then again I'll create here 0 to 2021, 101 to 200 I'll take. So on I'll create some 20 document number ranges here. 03 2021 201 to 300 item. 04 2021 301 to 400 item. 05 2021 401 to 500. 07 800. 901 to 900. 10 2021 901 to 1000. 11 2021 1001 to 1100. Twenty 1401 to 1500. 16 2021 1501 to 1600. 16 is done. Next we have is 70. Then comes to 20 2021 1901 to 2000. Enter. So you got to create 1 to 20 document number ranges here. Then click on save and transport this interval to your company code. Here. Got it? 20 number ranges I created, transported them. Let me tell you why I created this 20 number ranges. What is the use of this number ranges? I'll tell you. See, next topic we have is a document type. In this you'll understand why I created 1 to 20 here. See, there is no need to create 1 to 20 number ranges actually. Okay, but I showed you to create 1 to 20 because in this document type there are different document type in SAP. Okay, you can create your own document type also. Like document types are different here. Okay, DZ करके है, DZ DR करके है, DKR जो हम जो यूज करते हैं SAP में स्टैंडर्ड है, ये सारे डॉक्यूमेंट टाइप है. DR, DZ, KR, KZ, SA. These are some document type which we use here in SAP much more. So where to find document type here? I just show you. For that I will go for take back, financial accounting new. Okay, global setting new. Under that document type, define document type for entry view. It is here. Okay, click on define document type for entry view. Click on this thing here. See here, if you want, you can prepare your own document type. Like some people have prepared already. SAP has given standard so many here. Can see. Okay, customer down. What did I told you? DR is for customer invoice. Just check here. DR is for customer invoice. Okay, double click on customer invoice. What is the number range assigned to DR is 18 number. Okay, click on number range information, give company code. See, 18 is already available. Okay, what is next document type is DZ. Okay, DZ is document type. Next document type is DZ. You can check DZ also here. 14 is number. Company code is IBM sir. 14. So why I prepared, see 1 to 20 already I have 1 to 20 number range interval here. Getting? So within 1 to 20, these are some document types which you can use in SAP which we use standard. Maximum we use standard only DR, DZ, KR, KZ, SA. See here, we can find them all. What is KR? KR stands for here vendor invoice, KZ vendor payment, and SA stands for GL account document. What is GL account? One number. If you want to create your own document type, you can create from here your own document type. Okay, that you can use it in your company code. Getting it, everyone? Is it clear for everyone? Yes, Harshita, Nitesh, Pooja, Sanitha, Saurabh, are you getting this?
Yes, sir.
Sir, I am not clear about the ranges again. I didn't understand why you created 1 to 20 ranges.
See, number ranges 1 to 20 I created. See, there is no need to create 1 to 20 number ranges actually. Okay,
Okay.
1 is not required. But I get a 1 to 20, any number, any one of this document I can assign the number range to that. Heading. Suppose I am passing customer invoice. Okay. So customer invoice I am passing. What is document type for customer invoice? It is DR. Okay, DR is customer
DR.
invoice. Okay. So
Yeah.
what is the number range assigned to it? 18 is assigned. Okay.
Huh.
So 18 number range in this company code you can check here IBM 7. What is the 18 number range interval? It is 18 number interval. It is 17001 to 1800. Suppose
Okay.
if I pass a customer invoice in this IBM 7 company code now in this.
Huh.
Okay. So first entry what it is
Okay.
show me with the 170 number it is show me.
Acha.
You got it.
Okay. Got it. Got it. Got it.
So it will display with me with this particular document number 1701 when I pass an entry. Why the reason?
Got it.
Because I have made 18 number document type DR for this company code. I assigned it here. Understood, Pooja?
Yes. Got it.
Yeah,
Yes.
it is as simple as that. It is very easy. Okay, so that is what we
Yeah.
have. Document number ranges and document type. This both are interlinked with each other here. Okay.
Yes.
So until
Yes.
here you got to practice it and you got to see the old videos also which we have in LMS. So until here you practice everything guys because some are fresher here, some are experienced here. So I'm going in one level. Okay. So experienced person also are there and some mid level people also are there. So I'm going in one level. तो इसके हिसाब से मैं आपको बता दे रहा हूँ और थोड़े लोग को हिंदी भी ट्रेनिंग चाहिए करके मुझे बताया मैडम ने तो मैं हिंदी इंग्लिश मिक्स करके बता रहा हूँ दोनों तो यहाँ तक प्रैक्टिस कर लीजिएगा ओल्ड वीडियोस देख के then I will start tomorrow again the posting keys topic. Is that fine everyone?
Yes.
Yes, Harshit and Nitesh, Pooja, Sangeeta, Saurabh.
Yes,
Yes,
sir.
sir.
Okay,
Yes, sir.
practice it until here. I'll upload the session recording in the LMS this also. Practice it until here you practice it guys. See you again tomorrow.
Hello?
Yeah, tell me. Yes, tell me. Anyone has any confusion?
सर ये नंबर रेंजेस तो हम अपने अकॉर्डिंग दे सकते हैं ना 1 to 20
1 to 20 आप जैसे मैंने मेंटेन किया सेम मेंटेन कीजिए द रीजन बिकॉज आपको आगे डॉक्यूमेंट टाइप में जब असाइन करोगे ना इनवॉइस बनाओगे तब आपको तकलीफ होगा एरर दिखाएगा
ओके ओके
ओके आपको आप अलग मेंटेन करोगे तो क्या हो जाएगा आगे आपको तकलीफ हो जाएगा इनवॉइस लेवल पास करने टाइम वहाँ पे एरर दिखाएगा
यस
okay so prepare it like this as a same guys see you guys everyone on tomorrow start with the next session okay thank you everyone thank you so much bye bye thank you guys
Thank you, sir.